Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the tool. Open Settings and turn Xbox Game Bar on so the overlay loads when you press Win+G. Once done, make sure Windows is updated and you have a compatible GPU driver. This avoids dropped frames. Connect your microphone now and select it in sound settings so voice captures correctly. You do this first because a misconfigured input or disabled overlay will block every subsequent recording step. Fix it here, and the rest is straightforward. Open the overlay with Win+G and click the Capture widget. This is where you control clips and screenshots. You should set resolution and frame rate. Pick 1080p at 60 FPS for smooth footage or 30 FPS to save disk space. And choose whether to record system audio, mic, or both so levels stay balanced. Once configured, enable background recording only if you want retroactive clips. Otherwise, start manual captures to keep file sizes predictable. These settings determine final quality and file management. Now you record. Press Win+Alt+R to begin and again to stop. Watch the timer in the overlay so you control clip length. After stopping, open Videos /Captures to review. You can trim or rename clips in the Photos app or a lightweight editor. If recording fails, first check privacy, right arrow microphone and camera permissions, then confirm disk space, and that game bar isn't blocked by exclusive audio apps. One quick troubleshooting tip. Restart the Xbox Game Bar process in Task Manager to reset the overlay without rebooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.